Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Disney A to Z. So I was recently at Animal Kingdom and wanted to give you a quick update on the transformation of Dinoland USA into the tropical Americas. The green walls are up and construction is moving forward, so let's take a look. If you haven't heard, Disney announced last year that they're closing the entire Dinoland area and reimagining it as tropical Americas, inspired by the lush regions of Central and South America. And it'll feature two major IP tie-ins, Encanto and Indiana Jones. So where are we now? As of January 13th, Disney officially closed Triceratops Spin, Chester and Hester's, and the Fossil Fun Games. As you can see to the left here, the green construction walls are up around this whole area. Now this is just speculation on my part, but if you look at the concept art for the retheme, this is where the Madrigal House attraction will likely be. More specifically, it looks like this space may become like the pathways leading into the Encanto ride. So here's the question. Could the Encanto ride be the first part of Tropical Americas to open? Only time will tell, and again, that's just my speculation. So what's still operating in Dinoland, and when will it all close? At least through the end of this year, you can still enjoy Dinosaur, Restaurantosaurus, and the Boneyard. The entire land is expected to close sometime in early 2026, with the full Tropical Americas transformation set to be completed in 2027. Right now, we're still in the early phases. From the walkway above the Boneyard, you can actually peek into the former Dinorama area. It's already stripped down and fully behind walls, so this transformation is going to take some time, but it's exciting to see real progress already happening. I'll be keeping a close eye on this project as Tropical Americas takes shape, and I'll keep bringing you updates as things develop. So let me know in the comments, are you excited for the Encanto and Indiana Jones editions, or are you going to miss the old Dinoland? So if you enjoyed this update, give it a like, hit subscribe for more Disney Park news, ride videos, and vacation tips. And again, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon.